glove up. You're just taking rags. There's a rag right here. And you're just wiping the rest of the grease off after it's been loosened up by the Purple Power. Okay. Now, all of this rusty shit here, I'm going to put in the rust dissolver here.
Oh, okay. So these have been in Purple Power. We're just...
They have been in Purple Power for... That needs to get finished first because that's got to go to Wick. This stuff I'm putting in the dissolver. Glove up!
Is that like Danny? You said glove up, not glover.
Ooh, yeah. You've seen this stuff. Mm-hmm. There should be rags here. Ask Allie for one. There might be a few.
Like that because she might get upset.
Yeah.
Huh?
That's the rust dissolver.
That's the rust stuff.
Yes.
Now, does that put a coating on it?
No. It just
dissolves the rust.
Keeps it nice and raw.
Do we need a coating on it?
No, it'll be fine. Not in the desert. Wipe these down too, because we can put it. Ooh, perfect. That's ready to go in the dissolver. Lay it in there. There you go. Almost. Just give it a little tap. Little taparoo. Little taparoo. I get that one wiped down. Let me get this set up in here. Yeah, do that arm. Do it more around that ball joint because Wick's gonna have to drill that. Get that out. And we'll be ready. What?
You said Wick will have to drill it. I'm like, that'll make Allie upset.
Oh my god. Alright, so more stuff goes in the rust dissolver.
How fast does this stuff work?
Like 30 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Get that in there, Mr. Buntoff. There you go.
Is this the cleaning solution?
No. You're just wiping because it all just came out of Purple Power bath. That is rust and gunk. Try to get it off, and then it can go in the rust eater. Look at that bubbling up. Mm-hmm. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Look at
it's angry.
Ooh, look at all this gunk that just boiling.
Yeah, it's bubbling up the rust off of it.
Mm-hmm. And that's just the Rust-Oleum stuff?
That's the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver. It's too fun.
It doesn't really come off.
All right, let me throw that in the rust deal. Bombs away.
So how does something like that look?
That looks pretty good.
That's pretty damn good.
That's about ready for the rust dissolver.
So dump it in.
Throw it in the juice.
It's like we're making a soup.
Yeah. We'll have to probably move it around if you don't. No, that's okay. Because you can put that.
Supposed to be buried, or?
I mean, yeah, but that's full. Look,
The agitator.
you're the agitator. Oh, he's definitely the agitator. Glenn, how much of an agitator is he?
Glenn tells people that if this came out, is that okay?
Yeah.
Yes, that's fine. Because this one's actually going in the trash, so don't worry about that.
The whole part is?
Yes, because we have new ones. I'm sorry, that one's trash.
I put one in the rust thing.
That's fine. You can have that as a souvenir.
No.
You can be like, look what I did today.
Glenn says that if she goes, you could make Mother Teresa hit you. I don't care if the bitch was still alive.
Fuck. All right, now we're going to need to get a couple wrenches, boys, and pull these apart on the spring buckets. Those need to come out.
Oh, yeah.
And then this all needs to soak. Yeah, once you get it degunked. Paul, that looks pretty good. That's got to go. That ball joint itself is going in the trash. We just need it clean around the rivets on both sides because Wick's got to drill it. But that arm's looking good.
Yeah, that looks good.
I mean, it's got a little pitting, but it's fine.
Yeah, it's not bad, especially for its age.
Yeah, and where it originally was, that's a magnet.
Oh.
That end's a magnet. We were magnet fishing.
Yes.
We were magnet fishing earlier.
Wow. Is this getting saved?
Yes, we're gonna put them all here. No, that goes in the trash.
This trash.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get
Hardware. I'm throwing them all in the thing. They're everywhere. You're getting 60 years of schmutz out?
So who wants to take this out?
Yeah, that needs to be cleaned and then disassembled.
Okay, clean it
And then soaked.
Right.
How's that looking, Andre?
Well, this has not been in there long, but it's,
Well, the other one's
it's already started.
the other one's been in there a while. Wick's hitting something with a hammer. That's already better.
Ooh, yeah, you can smell the acid.
Yeah. This is all we got on this stuff. I only brought 1 gallon. So those don't need to go in too long. They can just go in for a minute. But it's the really rusty shit. Yeah.
Should I go with like a brush or something? Because once it's sticking out.
We could, yeah. Or get like a rag wet with it and wipe it down. That's what I've done before too. And just get it kind of wet. I did a little demo on one of these with it. And I just wiped it on and let it sit 5 minutes.
So like this one's been sitting a couple minutes. So.
Yeah. They need to sit for half an hour when they're in there. Oh yeah, the shit on 56. Yeah, those need to come out. They have a hex on both sides. You can undo it. So get that apart, boys. Carry on. I'm going to go check and see what Wick's doing.